So you have decided to make a swimming pool in your backyard. Welcome to Arroyo Pool Builders. Let us show you how the process works. First, you will schedule to meet with an Arroyo Pool Builders designer. They will need the survey of your property, also referred to as your plot plan. This is usually found in the closing documents of your home. It looks like the bird's eye view of your property. The land survey will show us the important features of your property, like your property lines, dimensions of your property, and any underground utilities or easements that must be observed. From there, the designer starts by reviewing the physical conditions in your property, including the access to the job site. After that, he will listen to your ideas, find out the features you would like inside your swimming pool, and get to know a little bit about your family's needs. They will then advise you on the best pool design that will suit your family's needs and outdoor living lifestyle. After that, the designer will design the pool for you in a 3D program that is very accurate. The designer usually takes about a week or two, as it is a very time-consuming task. The next step will be meeting for the second time at your property, where he will go over the design of your future backyard. Here you will review the pool design and make any changes if necessary. We will also bring samples for the material selection, such as the tile coping and plaster finishes, along with the decking, so you end up with your dream pool. Once you have approved the finalized design and the pool builder's construction agreement, we will start working on your plans and then submit to the city's building department, utility companies, and a homeowners association if you have one. This process takes about 4 weeks. This is the perfect time to secure financing for swimming pool project. Once the building department has approved your pool permit, we will begin the construction process. The pool construction timeframe takes about 10 to 12 weeks. In most cases, and the process starts by first calling all utility companies to locate underground utilities. From there, we start the excavation process with the excavator, which will be the first to arrive to your backyard and start to dig the form of your future pool. The next step is to create the skeletal system of your pool, which is done by using reinforcing steel rebar. And plumbing rough have been installed and has passed the building department inspection. Next comes the exciting part, will be the installation of the shotcrete. This concrete application method is the best for swimming pools, as it is used also for reinforcing underground tunnels and reinforcing underground bunkers. Once the concrete show has dried, which takes on average 28 days to reach full strength, we will commence doing the rest of the plumbing and electrical of your pool. Next week, start doing the installation of the waterline tile and coping stone work. The next process will be doing the grade work of your yard and the installation of the pool deck. Lastly, your pool's interior finish will be installed, and then your pool will start to be filled with water. Then it will be time to enjoy your cool swimming pool. If you're ready to start building your pool, call, text, or WhatsApp Arroyo Pool Builders. Call now, 786-4999930 today. Send us an email to info@arroyopools.net.